What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Your girl's been struggling trying to figure out like getting back into the whole YouTube world. I've been editing this video for probably like a freaking week because I just didn't realize like how long it truly takes me to edit YouTube videos compared to just quick form like TikTok, Instagram, those type of reels. So just getting back into the groove of editing and things have been a little rough, but here we are. And if you guys are new here, my name is Alexis. I film a variety of videos. I am a lifestyle creator. So I do cleaning, cooking, fitness, meal prep, just literally everything you can probably think of. You can find it here on my channel. I am a mom to a 17-month-old. She is just one crazy little girl. Her name is Luella. We call her Lulu for short, and I love filming content. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and follow along if you guys don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. Okay, so future-wise, my husband and I are planning on buying a new house at some point here soon, but we also are thinking about having another baby just so Lou can have other siblings. However, your girl's trying to cut back on spending, and one of those ways of doing my own pedicures. And right now, I can't seem to give up paying for my nails because just my nails are just kind of like who I am, you know what I mean? So that's just like one thing I've not been able to cut back on. But right now I'm focusing on saving money and putting things aside, saving off or paying off credit cards, just getting my life together so we can start looking into a different home, growing our family, etc. But you guys, I have been doing my own pedicures for a long time. I used to be a cosmetologist, so I did pedicures all the time for a living. But you guys, this scraper, the foot scraper, literally best thing ever. It gets off like literally everything. And then this little foot cream is the best. Like makes your feet feel so buttery smooth and so good. Say good morning. Mwah. See, I took a really good nap, and I let my mama do an entire pedicure. Yeah. Good job. Whoa. Mom, pour Mama a drink. Pour Mommy a drink. Look. And look, Mommy. Want to drink with me? Cheers. Hold your cup. And say, cheers. Cheers. Oh, you don't like to cheers? Okay. and hit stop.